Hi kids, today I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation about my school. Okay, so first of all, let's open PowerPoint in our computers. Okay, so I type PowerPoint. Okay, so you don't have to type the whole word. Just when you type POW, it will show in your pop-up menu. Click it and open, and then click on blank presentation and make it bigger. Here, you should know how to add a new slide, and the another thing is the correct slide. Okay, the proper slide, and changing the font style, font, making the font size bigger, and adding bullets, adding images, transitions, animations, and add a theme. Okay, and finally save your work. So let's see how to do that. The topic is my school. So by default, every time when you are opening PowerPoint, this will be your first slide. So just click it here and type my school. All right. Now you don't have to worry about this next click to add subtitle box while you are playing your presentation. You won't see that. Okay. So I want to make this text bigger. So I select it and make it bigger. These things you have learned in your grade 1 and 2. So I make it bold, and if you want, you can choose a beautiful font style also. Okay, so I'll be adding this. And if you want, you can add the first, change the font color also. Okay, nice. Good. Next, I want to add another slide to add two images of a school. Okay, so for to add an image, I'm using the blank slide, children. So click it here. Okay, and next there are two options to add an image. Okay, so one is that you can go to insert and you can search images online if your device, if your computer is connected to your internet connection. If you have on the internet in your computers, you can search it online and easily add it here. If not, okay, if this, let's imagine, even though after you search, you have connection in your computer, you this online pictures is not supporting to you, then you have to search in Google and then you have to download it and you can add it from your device. Okay, so first of all, let's see how to add an image from online pictures. Click it here. Okay, and type the word school. Okay, and press the enter key. All right, so you can scroll down and find a good image. Okay, so okay, so let me add this. Select, or if you want to add another image, you may select another image also at the same time. Okay, let's imagine you want to add this. Okay, there are two now, insert two. So just click it, it will be added to your slide just like this. Okay, now you can see the both images are here, so you can make. Okay, so you can make one bigger and the other one smaller, just like this. Okay, so this is how you can add an image to your slide from online pictures. Let's imagine this is not working in your computer. Okay, so it's not supporting. So then let's see how you can add an image here. To do that, you have to go to Google and search school. Okay, so when you are searching images, children, it's better to search as JPEG. This is the file format of JPEG, the picture for the pictures. Then whatever you are searching, mostly you will get the pictures only. Otherwise, when you are searching it, when you are going to save it, it can be web link or any other link. Okay, so it moves, so without any trouble, if you want to download a picture directly, then search as it as JPEG only. Okay, so mm, what which one will I say? Okay, this looks the same, right, which we added before. Hmm? Okay, then here it is. Okay, let's see. Let's imagine you want to download this image and you want to save it. Okay, right click on the image and click on save image as. All right, here's the JPEG image. Okay, so you can give a meaningful name, school. Okay, and click on save. And since we want to add two images, children, so let's try another one. Okay, let's imagine you want to save this also. Okay, right click it, follow the same, click on save image as. Oops, see, this is web file. Okay, so web file we can't save as a picture. Okay, so it will be a link only. So check whether before you save it, it is a JPG image. Okay, so cancel it. Let's try another. Mm, okay, let's try this. Click it, right click here, save image as. All right, JPG. So you can give another name, but you can see that it's showing that school already there. So you have to do a small change, school number one. Okay, so and click on save. All right, now we have saved two images. This is in my downloads folder. Okay, here's the school one. Okay, now let's see how to add that saved image to your slide. Okay, so you can go to pictures. This time you have to click on pictures and find the location where you saved it. I saved it in the downloads. And here are my two pictures. So you can select any of this. Okay. Click on it and click on insert. Okay. So this is how we can save children. So now we need only two pictures here. So I'm going to delete this. So either you can add an image from online or from your device, just like this. Okay, so let's move to the third slide. When you are adding a new slide, do not click on this box. Okay, if you click on it, it will add the same style of the slide which you added previous, just like this. Look here, can you see the third slide? Also an empty slide, not like that. You have to click on this word new slide. Okay, so to delete your slide, let's imagine if you want to delete a slide just like mine here. So just right click on it and click on delete slide. Okay, let's add the third slide now. So for that, I'm going to use this title and content slide. Okay, so because it's already having these bullets, so it's easy for me. I don't have to add the bullets manually. So let's start to type few sentences about my school. Uh, yeah, let's start like this. The name of my school is Stafford Sri Lankan school. Doha. Okay. Next, press the enter key. So you can see the second bullet has added now. Okay. It has about, I think, 50 classrooms and has about 50 classrooms and a playground. First stop, enter key. What else? There are three computer labs. What else we have? A laboratory and a library. Oops, laboratory. What's the mistake I did? LA here, right? Okay. Mistakenly I typed O. Library in my school. Full stop. Enter. It is one of the best school in Doha. Yes, of course. Next. Finally, I love my school, isn't it? All right. So I hope that these few sentences are enough. Now, next, I'm going to add the final slide here. That is the end or the thank you. Okay. So, for that, I'm adding the next slide. So, this time we'll take this title only because in this slide, I'm going to type the end only. Okay. So, I type here in capital. So, I press the caps lock key, the end. All right. So I need this in the middle. So for that, I press the center alignment. I click on it and I drag it and drop this in middle. Yes. And next, I want to make it little bit bigger like this. And I want to change the font style. Something nice. Okay. And we'll change the color. Let's make it a little bit. Oh, I think I need to make it bigger to make it big. Otherwise, it says no, you can't. Okay, so it's finished. Over. Okay, so the end. Next, um, we'll add a nice, beautiful theme to our presentation. So, which one? Okay, I would like to add this. Okay, the bubbles. Next, what shall we do? Let's add the transitions. Okay, for each and every slide, you can give the transitions. So it will be looks like this. And the second, I will give this wind. And the third, I'll give this peel off. And the end, origami. Okay, all right. So I have given transitions to each and every slide. You can see with the star mark. So let's start to give the animations now from the first slide, children. Now you can see that the it's not appeared here. I can't do anything. It means that you didn't select anything. If you have remember before you click on this animation, before you select the animation, your text or the image selected. Okay. So let's give this. Oops, I think I don't know. Let's try this. Okay, my school. And the second slide for the first picture, I will give the split. And next one, floating. Okay. And for the slide, third slide, mostly for the sentences, I used to give this bounds. So I can read it one by one. Okay. And next, the last, the end. Okay. For that, I can give the zoom. Okay. I need to do something actually here. I want to make the sentences little bit bigger. Okay. So I select all and change the font size. Okay. So everything is done now. Now the finally we'll save our work. You can go to file and click on save. If not easily, you can click on this save button and click on more save options and can go to browse, and here is the save as dialog box. You can choose the location where you want to save. So I click on desktop and give a meaningful name. Is suggesting the name as my school. So I can use the same my school year 3 and click on the save button. Now you children can see the name of the slide, name of the presentation at the top has been changed to my school year 3. Now let's play our presentation. Go to slideshow and click on from beginning. There you go. And by pressing the space bar key or the right arrow key or by clicking on the mouse, you can move to the next. Okay. So my school, first image, the second image, the name of my school is Tafa Sri Lanka School Doha. It has about 50 classrooms and a playground, all in capital. That's fine. There are 3 computer labs, a laboratory, and a library in my school. It is one of the best school in Doha. I love my school. Yes. The end. Okay. So thank you for watching, children. Please do practice.